Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. A minus B multiplied by A square AB and B square in here. So we have A to the power of 3 minus B to the power of 3. Because I want to cancel about the root, so we need to use about the power 3 in here. So this one, that is about A minus B. To create about this one, we need to multiply A square plus AB plus B square on numerator and denominator. So for this one, we have s squared plus s plus 2 minus 2 to the power of 3, because this one with the power 3 in here. That's why you got this one. So 2 minus 2 to the power of 3, we have negative number 6. Next, we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. And now I will put number 2 going here, 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 and here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate about this one. And we have 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.